Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to check battery health on your MacBook M1 or M2. To make sure that is everything okay with your battery, my advice is to check it periodically. Let's go! First go to Apple logo and click on About this Mac. Go to More Info. Scroll down and click on System Report. Now find Power section. Here is all the informations you need. But this is most important. The company says that your battery is designed to retain up to 80% of its original capacity at 1000 complete charge cycles, then you need to replace it. That's it. If I helped you, please support me with like, subscribe and comment. What would you like to see in next videos? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.